Next up then is question 4. This one's quite quick actually. So, you wanted to find the gradient of the following curves at the given point. Right. They ask you for the gradient of something, they're probably talking about the derivative if it's of a curve. So y equals x cubed. Let's differentiate that to give us 3x squared. That there basically gives us the gradient. So imagine you've got y equals x cubed, which looks a bit like that, and you want to know the gradient at a certain point on it, because here it's quite steep, it slows down a little bit, it's not quite steep, and it gets steep again. So I want to know how steep it is at the point where x equals 2. So here, right, I want to know there, how steep is it here? And to get that answer, what I'm going to do is put x, at x equals 2, the gradient, m, is 3 times 2 squared, which is 3 times 4, is 12. So at that point there, with x coordinates 2, the steepness of the curve is 12. Because this thing here, remember, is a formula for steepness. And the steepness is different everywhere, so it can't just be a number. Mark allocation, 1 for differentiating, 1 for subbing, 1 for your answer. Very generous 3 marks there, folks. Okay, part B. And with this one, y equals 2x minus x squared. This is to happen where x equals minus 2. They want us to do it. So this time it's the same thing, dy by dx equals 2 minus 2x. So at x equals minus 2, they want me to figure out what's the gradient there. Well, the gradient will be 2 minus 2 times minus 2, which is 2 plus 4, which is 6. So on this curve here, which is some sort of sad face, right, some sort of sad face, at the point where x is minus 2, they're saying the steepness of it, at that point there, for example, is 6. Pardon me. And that's all we're saying. Differentiate's a mark, subbing in's a mark, final gradient is a mark. 3 marks for that one, guys. That is shooty any stuff. Shooty.